Hey everyone, we are now on part 10 of opening the skybox pack, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 more sky pack packs to open up. I'm going to open up 3 today, and we're going to see what we got here. What great cards do we have? Now, these are the worst. They're all sealed packs. They all came from a sealed box. I just have had too much to do to open up card packs. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we're ripping. Alrighty here. We have Olden, Tom Tolbert. Tom Tolbert. He has a show on Canby. He already did. Yeah. Theodore Edwards. Chicago Bulls, Ed Neely. Boston Celtics, NBA legend Robert Parrish. We have Sam Mitchell. Greg Kite. Danny Ferry. Rory Sparrow. Dwayne Farrell. John Sally. Nick's Great. KJ, Sacramento Mayor, and Phoenix Sun player. Gerald Henderson. Brad Dotery. And Dennis Johnson. All right, let's see what we got in a couple other packs that we have here. Pretty good pickups. Let's see what we got. All right, pack number 2. Jeff Martin. Jerome Kersey. Tellis Frank. James Worthy, Lakers legend. Dominique Wilkins, Atlanta Hawks legend. Very good. Michael Ensley. Will Purdue. Purvis Short. Scott Brooks. Eddie Johnson. Zarko. Herb Williams. And there's Charles Oakley right behind him. Chris Mullin. Chris Mullin was a great Warriors player. I liked watching him when I was a kid. Got a checklist and Bill Cartwright. Very cool. And we're going to open up another pack. Okay. And remember, these are from, this is the inaugural set, inaugural edition of Skybox back in 91, 92? 91 season. All right. So, you have Dennis Hobson, Horace Grant, Jeff Turner, Sean Elliott, Roy Tarpley, Tom Chambers. We have another great checklist. Richard Anderson, James Edwards, Jeff Sanders, Mr. Buck Johnson, Alex English, Jeff Grayer, John Stockton, Utah Jazz legend, and Todd Murphy. You know what? Let's open up some more cards. Let's just do it. It's only been a few minutes. Let's see what we got here. I do have other NBA sets that I am going to open up. Got like one more for sure. Ricky Pierce, Wayne Rollins, John Williams, Kevin Gamble, Benoit Benjamin, Kurt Rambis, Mark McNamara, Reggie Miller. Oh, cool. Indianapolis Pacers great, or Indiana Pacers great. Oh, cool. Scottie Pippen, Bulls great. Trent Tucker, Liddell Equals, Jack Haley, Scott, Derek Smith, and I don't want to mispronounce this man's name, so I'm not going to, but he played for the Spurs. All right, let's see. So that was a couple good cards there. Feel free in the comments to tell me what is your favorite NBA team or NBA players that you grew up watching as well. Let's see if I can open this. All right. I'm only going to do, just one more after this one. I got to get going. All right. So we got Mr. Buck Williams, Reggie Theus, Mark, Darrell Walker, Chris Morris, Sam Vincent, Greg Grant, Caldwell Jones, Bill, Xavier McDaniel for the Sonics. Hope they bring the Sonics back over to Seattle. Checklist, Dave Hoppin, Scott Hastings, Daryl Griffin, and Mr. Vernon Maxwell. And I'm going to put one back. We're going to do last one for today. All right. Sorry about this. It's kind of rushing through here. All right, so we have Frank, Anthony Jones, Terry Cummings, another checklist, Spud Webb. Never knew his name was Anthony Webb. I always thought it was Spud Webb. William, Michael Adams, Eric Floyd, Derek Harper, Ben Coleman, Chuck Pearson, or Person. It's amazing when these cards are upside down in a fresh factory sealed pack. Sidney Lowe, Antonio Carr, Dale Ellis, and Eddie Lee Wilkins. All right, everybody, so those were my packs for the Skybox. I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more packs to do, and I will be done with my box set that I have been trying to get done since June. So please subscribe. Please like the videos. Feel free to leave comments, and we'll talk to you later on. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next time.